Mouth ulcers are also known as canker sores. They can be defined as a painful sore that occurs in the mouth. It can occur on the tongue, lips, or gum, and because of which it becomes difficult to swallow food and drink. Mouth ulcers are usually yellow or white in colors and have redness surrounding them. They usually occur due to reasons like eating a lot of acidic or spicy foods, food allergies, poor dental hygiene, biting of the tongue or cheeks, stress, and even due to nutritional deficiency of vitamin B and C. Usually, they heal within 7 to 10 days. Here are some remedies to seek relief from mouth ulcers. Number 1. Honey. Thanks to the antibacterial qualities of honey, it can act as a very effective remedy for ulcers. It provides moisture and prevents it from becoming dry. All you need to do is take some raw honey and apply it on the ulcers. You can also add some turmeric to it to speed up the healing process. Apply it every few hours for relief. Number 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil helps in reducing the discomfort caused due to the ulcer by reducing the swelling. Anti-inflammatory compounds in coconut oil help in doing so. All you need to do is dab a cotton ball in some virgin coconut oil and apply it on your ulcers. Repeat this after every few hours. You can also apply coconut oil to ulcers and sleep with it. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Though the pungent taste and the acidic nature of apple cider vinegar can hurt you, this one is a powerful home remedy for ulcers. Just mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water and swish the solution in your mouth for a few minutes. Do this every morning and night till the ulcer heals. Number 4. Salt water. This one is probably the most recommended home remedy for ulcers. Gargle with salt water is that one remedy your elders would always come to you with, and it is very effective too. Water has a soothing effect on the ulcer and salt helps in healing it. Just take a glass of lukewarm water and add a tablespoon of salt to it. Gargle thoroughly with this solution and repeat after a few hours. Number 5. Baking soda rinse. Baking soda is thought to restore pH balance and reduce inflammation, which may heal canker sores. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half cup of water. Swirl this solution in your mouth for 15 to 13 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat every few hours as needed. Baking soda won't harm you if swallowed, but it's super salty, so try to avoid doing so. Tips: gargle with mouthwash every day before bedtime and preferably after lunch and dinner. It will not only prevent formation of mouth ulcer but also bad breath. Apply toothpaste over the sores to treat them. Avoid drinking hot liquids like tea, coffee, and avoid oily, spicy foods. This will only aggravate the condition of the mouth ulcer. Consume a diet that is rich in calcium and vitamin C. Food like yogurt, milk, cottage cheese, and orange juice. Avoid eating non-vegetarian foods as they increase the level of acidity in the body. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.